Good you have clicked on this video, and I request you to continue watching till the end because you are definitely going to benefit from it. I have seen so many children getting intimidated by maths, and especially when they have to deal with big numbers. In this video, we will learn in a fun way. It is actually a fun way, I would tell you, to multiply the numbers as big as 6-digit number with 6-digit number. We will be using a Vedic mathematics method called vertically and crosswise method. Actually, humans love to work with patterns, and vertically and crosswise method of multiplication uses a uniform pattern of multiplication. You would love to do it. Let's see. Let's get started.
The method we use is the Vedic maths method called Urdhva Trigyabhyam. It is called Urdhva Trigyabhyam. If you follow the right pattern, there is no any possibility of making mistake. You will do it very accurately and you will enjoy doing it. So let's see how we do. Let's start. First of all, we have to vertically multiply the first two digits. We'll start from the left hand side. We can start from the right hand side also, or we can start from the left hand side, whatever we want to do. So let's start from the left hand side. So when first digit multiplied by the first one, that is 4 multiplied by 3, it will be 12. And this is the first step, so we write 12 over here. Now the next step is the second step. Crosswise multiply the first with the second and add them up. So we multiply 3 by 3, that makes 9, and 4 by 4, that makes 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25, and we write 25 over here. Now our second step is over. Let's see the third step. In our third step, we multiply the first and the third digit like this crosswise, the first and the third crosswise, and 2 with the 2 crosswise. We multiply all these and add up all the three products. So 5 into 3 is 15, plus 4 into 2 is 8, plus 4 into 3 is 12. And we add up all that, we get 35. So we write 35 over here. Now let's see the fourth step. Fourth step would be multiplying crosswise the first and the fourth. This way also, the first and the fourth. Crosswise multiplication of second and third. Crosswise multiplication of second and third, and adding up all the products. So let's do it over here. 3 into 3 is 9, plus 4 into 3 is 12, plus 4 into 5 is 20, plus 3 into 2 is 6. And when we add up all that, we get 47. So we write 47 over here. Now let's see the fifth step. The fifth step would be crosswise multiplying the first and the fifth, like this. First and the fifth. Crosswise multiplying like this. Second and fourth, and second and fourth. Multiplying, finding the product, and then third multiplied by the third digit, multiplying all these digits crosswise or vertically, and then adding up. So let's see what we do. Here we have to first multiply 3 by 6. We get 18. 4 into 1, we get 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 3 into 3 is 9, and 2 into 5 is 10. And when we add up all that, we get 53. So we write 53 over here. So our fifth step is over. When we are multiplying 6-digit number with the 6-digit number, total digits are 12 and the number of steps would be 1 less than the total number of digits. So the number of steps here will be 11. So now let's calculate the 6th step. Let's learn the pattern of the 6th step. And the 6th step would be 1 multiplied by the 6th term plus this first multiplied with the 6th term, the second with the 5th term, this second crosswise multiplied with the 5th term, third crosswise with the 4th multiplied, and third crosswise multiplied with the 4th. Now let us see with the numbers. Now 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16. So we add 6 plus 16. Now 4 multiplied by 6 will be 24. This 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3. This 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. And 5 multiplied by 3 will be 15. So all we can multiply crosswise and then add up all that. 6 plus 16 plus 24 plus 3 plus 6 plus 15, that makes 70. So we write 70 over here. Now let's see the 7th step. We will leave this one. This part we are going to leave. Now this second crosswise multiplied by 6, this second crosswise multiplied by 6, this third multiplied crosswise by 5th, third multiplied by 5th, and fourth by 4. So when in these numbers, let's see, when we do that, this 4 is multiplied by 2, that makes 8. Then 3 multiplied by 4 makes 12. So 8 plus 12, then plus 2 into 6 is also 12. 5 into 1 is 5. And 3 into 3 is 9. So when we add up 8 plus 12 plus 12 plus 5 plus 9, we get 46 and we write 46 over here. Now let's see the next step. The next step, that is the 8th step, would be, now we will be leaving the first, these two, we will leave aside. These two we will leave. Now we'll work with the rest of the digits. So 3 multiplied by 6 term, third multiplied by 6 term crosswise, this fourth multiplied by 5th, and fourth multiplied by this, and all the products are to be added. So for 8th step, we have 2 multiplied by 2, that will make 4, then plus 5 multiplied by 4, that makes 20, and 3 multiplied by 6, 18, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So when we add up 4, that is 2 into 2 makes 4. So when we add up 4, then 20 plus 18 plus 3, we get 45. When we add up all this, we get 45. We write 45 over here, and then let's move to the next step. We will be leaving these first 3. Now 4 multiplied with the 6th term crosswise, 4th with the 6th term crosswise, and 5th with the 5th vertically. So 3 into 2 is 6, plus 3 into 4 is 12, plus 6 into 1 is 6. So when we add up 6 plus 12 plus 6, that makes 24. So we write 24 over here, and we are finished with the 9th step. Now let's see the 10th step. When we have to work, the 10th step would be, we will be then leaving these 4 these 4 will be leaving. And the 10th step would be crosswise multiplying 5th by the 6th and 5th by the 6th. So when we multiply crosswise, 1 into 2 is 2, 6 into 4 is 24. So 2 plus 24 will make 26. So we write 26 over here. And now let's do the 11th step, which is going to be the last one. And the last one, because we are left with these 2 digits, so they have to be vertically multiplied. So 4 into 2 is 8. So all our steps are over. Now we have to do the balancing. That is leaving only 1. That is the units digit. And in one section, and carrying the tens digit to the next section on the left hand side. So let's do. First we drop 8. We have only 1 digit over here, so we have 8. We have 6 over here, but we carry this 2 to the next section. Add up this 2 to 24. That makes 26. So we leave 6 over here, carry this 2, add up with 45, we get 47. So leave 7 over here, carry this 4 to the next one, add up with 46, we get 50. So leave 0 over here, carry 5 to this next one, add up with 70, that will make 75. We will leave 5 over here, carry this 7 to the next section, add up with 53, we get 60. So we have 0 over here, carry this 6 to the next section, add up with 47, we get 53. So we leave 53 over here, 53, leave 3 over here, sorry, and carry 5 to the next section, add up with 35, we get 40. So leave 0 over here, carry 4 to the next section, add up with 25, we get 29. Leave 9 over here, carry 2 to the next section, that makes 14. So we have our answer ready. Our answer will be 1, 4, 9, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, 7, 6, 6, 8. This is going to be our answer. Look, it's fun working with patterns. And when you do like that, I don't think you will make any mistake. So now we have learned to multiply 6-digit number with 6-digit number, which is going to be quite difficult and time-taking in conventional mathematics. So thanks for watching.